In question 15, we've been given a region and we've asked to define that region in the form of three inequalities, all with the form ay plus bx is greater than or equal to c. So this region does touch the lines, so we include the line with it. Okay, to help us, I've drawn three coloured lines on the edges of R, which will define our lines. So looking at line 1, the gradient is negative. So I can just put that there. It falls 1, 2, 3, 4, and the run is 0.6. So getting that fraction into a slightly better form, this is equal to negative 20 over 3. And the intercept is 12. So its equation, y is equal to negative 20 over 3x plus 12. And that's the equation of the yellow line. Now the red line. The gradient, it's a positive gradient, and it climbs 2, 4 in 0.2, and that is equal to 20. And the intercept, so it falls 4 there, it will fall another 4 there to bring it down to here, and its intercept will be negative 4. So its equation is y is equal to 20x minus 4. And lastly, the blue line. The gradient is also negative, and it falls 2, 4, 6, 8 in a run of 0.4. So its gradient is negative 20, and the intercept is, again, 12. So its equation, y is equal to negative 20x plus 12. So we now need to turn all three of those equations into the inequalities. So looking at line 1, the yellow line, the region is below. So we start off with y is less than or equal to negative 20x over 3 plus 12. Now they want all of these in integers, so I'm going to have to multiply through by 3. So this is 3y less than or equal to negative 20x plus 36. And now they want x and y both on the same side of the inequality sign. So we get 3y plus 20x is less than or equal to 36. We're still not there because the inequality is round the wrong way. We can cure that by multiplying through by minus 1. And we get negative 3y negative 20x is greater than or equal to negative 36. The rule when multiplying an inequality through by negative 1 is you turn the inequality sign round. So that should be the answer to our first line. Now for the red line. The red line, we've got to be effectively above it. So we start off with y is greater than or equal to 20x minus 4. And again, putting the x's and y's on the left-hand side of the inequality, we get y minus 20x is greater than or equal to negative 4, which is in the form they want. It's all integers, so that was a lot easier. And now the blue line. The blue line, we've got to be above it. So y has got to be greater than or equal to negative 20x plus 12. And again, putting the x's and y's on the left-hand side of the inequality and just leaving the constant on the right, we get y plus 20x is greater than or equal to 12. And yet again, that is in the form they want. We're all in integers. And those three should be your three answers.